Let's break down the concept of dividends to make it easier for you to understand in 90 seconds. Imagine you own a bakery and on a particular date you receive a huge order of 50 pastries, but you did not anticipate that and you fall short of flour. The nearby bakeries around you offer to help you by lending you extra flour. Now, after you've made the sale of the 50 pastries, you earn a profit of around 2000 rupees. 1000 rupees you keep for yourself to reinvest in your business or your bakery, and the other 1000 you decide to distribute amongst the other bakeries that helped you. Similarly, कंपनीज भी अपनी प्रॉफिट या इनकम का एक शेयर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करती हैं amongst their shareholders in the form of dividend according to their ownership or shares in the company. Dividends are distributed as a reward based on their shares in the company. Now let's come back to the question of the hour. What do the companies actually gain from this? अरे कोई ऐसे ही अपने प्रॉफिट को बांट थोड़ी देगा. There's always a strategy behind everything, and let me decode that for you. From the company's perspective, a dividend declaration can indicate that the company is performing well and has generated good profits. It does not directly impact the net income of the company, but it does impact the shareholders' equity in the balance sheets of that company. Now, from the investor's point of view, dividends are a regular income source, enhance the investor's portfolio and affect the stock price. Dividends एक बहुत important role play करते हैं for both the investor and the company by rewarding the investor and impacting the financial evaluation of the company. We hope ये वीडियो देखने के बाद you won't leave feeling confused. And to gain more such valuable insights into the world of investing, don't forget to follow us for more such informative content.